Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your password on Roblox. Now at first, what you have to do is just open up your browser. In here, make sure to go to roblox.com and make sure you're signed in. And after that, just click on the gear icon and then just go to settings. From here, you'll see in account info your password. And there's an edit button over here that says change password. Just click on that and then just put your current password in here and put a new password over here and another new password over here, and then just click on update. Then just wait, it will update your password. After it sends a verification email, just put the code over here from your email, and after you have put the code in, just click on verify and it will verify your email and change the password for you. There you go, you have successfully changed your password. Just click on OK. And basically that is it, and that is how to change your password in Roblox. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.